us. We have our driver here. Thank you for Kamisha for taking us. As you can see, our luggage is in here. Yo, let me say it was a struggle. I mean, it was a struggle.
Close it.
Huh?
You didn't close the back yet? Oh my gosh.
We can't close the car back. Oh.
No, stop. I don't know. I don't even have my gun in this one. I don't think you packed that right.
Oh my god.
We didn't pack that right. One of the big suitcases should have came right in the middle.
Yo, you know, some fat and fluffy and can do all of these things, right? Fat people are not supposed to work so hard. You know, it's gonna be easy for sweat and all these things, man. Jeez. Oh shit, it was recording the whole time.
The struggle is
Yo, the
so
struggle
real.
right now is so real. This is gonna be an amazing trip.
The struggle.
It's only when you struggle that comes greatness, you know?
Okay. Close now? Let's see.
Wait, one more suitcase.
And tilt this forward.
Yeah.
That's the word. Like it's
You guys,
gonna fit. It's
I'll
already...
see you when I'm at Pearson, okay?
I don't know why he's doing.
Oh.
Hello?
Yeah. Drive a lot. Yo, what was that yard we come from, you know? Yo, we make things up around here. Oh my god. Oh my god, Tiffany, are you ready?
She's on her blog.
Devon, say hi.
Debbie on YouTube.
Thanks, Debbie. You're the
Look there,
best.
the trunk is open.
Stop it.
Wait. Did it?
It's latched, not locked. It's okay.
Come on, seriously, it's not.
It's okay.
All right, don't talk. All right. We should say a prayer before.
No matter what it is, everything's gonna be all right. We're gonna reach, and we're gonna reach, and we're gonna come back, unfortunately, because we live here.
Oh gosh.
Yo, I'm so excited. I haven't been to Jamaica in like years.
Oh my gosh, it hasn't even been like a year.
It's 9 months. Like I felt like I had a baby.
Oh my god.
Like I couldn't drink. You know how pregnant people feel like they can't drink or smoke and stuff. Like that's how I feel. I didn't go to Jamaica for 3. Terminal 3.
Shut up.
I'm so excited, but I'm so scared. The plane? Jesus, love.
Yo, I don't want to sit.
No. The beginning part I have no problem with. It's the other 3 hours and something that I'm in the sky that I have an issue with, you know? Yeah.
Did you ask me if you have to pay for your first bag?
Oh, you don't have to pay for your first bag. You have to pay for your second.
That's what you think.
It is.
It is.
And what's the difference anyways? The last time when I went, I only had to pay for the. Well, no shit. Never mind. I only brought one.
According to my. They still have. Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh my god. I just got freaking scared, yo. Like, holy shiznit. I'm gonna be in Jamaica, yo. Like, this is so surreal. You don't understand? Oh my god, I wanna cry. We're going to see my daddy. I think it's... Did we pass it?
No, pass okay. This is it. Yeah. West. Condor, Cubana, and West.
Oh Lord, alright. The struggle is so real, but we're checked in. Yeah, I'm so nervous. Yo, listen. We had to pay. Oh my gosh. I wish I...
Give your boarding pass.
No, I just got the ticket for
Boarding pass, no?
This is for the baggage.
I don't know where I put it.
Yeah, no, I didn't get it. Okay.
I'm looking. I'm like, I swear.
So we're checked in. I gotta comb my hair because I be looking real rough. But listen, okay. So on our way here, Devon told us that
I thought it was
we had to pay for our first suitcase, right? So I'm like, nah, it's free. The second one is the one that you gotta pay for. He's like, are you sure? Did you do your homework? Me say me look like fool when me go at the check-in place. We check in and then tell me say $60. Listen. Uno not hear what me I say. Them tell me say $60. 60 me have to pay for me 2 luggage. What me I bring to Jamaica what cost $60?
like,
Me should never buy all what me buy.
like.
And then like my stupid scale decided to say that I was like out like 50 pounds and when me reach me out only 40. Tiffany only did on 30. You can imagine? But Jesus have his mercy.
And the way we're struggling.
Yo, the struggle was so real. But
So real.
Without struggle, there would be no success. This is vacation. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna turn up with the $40 and $80 we have left. And
It's my birthday.
yeah. I'm about to go surprise my mommy at work right now.
You're gonna surprise her. She knows cover.
Yep, this is Timmy's right over here. Watch me ball outs. Let me see if she's here.
She's not.
No, she might be in the back. She does big. Yeah. Hi, Miss Nora. Hi, Mom. We're going to Jamaica. Say hi to the camera. Mom, you couldn't tell me to our terminal. It's not gonna melt. It's cold. No. We're walking. See, I could use it here. No. Guys, so we're at a gate now. Just waiting to board. And I'm putting some space buns because this hair was just not working with me right now. I'm sweated out this morning because I was doing so much stuff, like so much stuff. And yeah, but we're over the stress now. I'm excited. Where did the light go?
They don't want you to shine. They don't want you to shine.
Okay.
No.
So the light just went out.
Dull down the shine a bit because you know you're shining too bright.
Anyways, so yeah, we're just waiting to board. Next stop is Montego Bay, Jamaica. Or Mama O's and my father O's. You understand? So excited. Are you excited, Puffy?
Yeah.
I think I'm eating jerkies for dinner because my father said I'm not cook. And when he says he has to look, that normally means that mackerel are sat in and I'm not sipping and I'm something, I'm not consume them things.
You bring them, but you don't want them.
Yeah, because then we eat it when we're gone. Oh yeah, like when I go to my sister's for a week. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, bye. Guys, we're in the plane. Well, not in it yet, but we're. You're stupid. Oh man, this stupid blanket and this stupid bag. Like, everything is so stupid. Y'all see what's going on? We're in the plane. Oh, look at my head. TV. We got a TV. We got a TV.
You're all up in my pores and shit.
Oh my god, you guys are going. I'm excited. Look at my head. Puppy. Come. You have to help, man. I need a photographer, man. Oh man. Okay, son. This is what you're doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Just do my, you know. Listen, okay, so we switch seats.
Hopefully, you
and we
know.
hope the person that comes or
we're
that
gonna be like
isn't.
really annoying. I'm gonna be like, yo, Zoe.
Like Fluffy.
So I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, Zoe, hold my hand. Like legit. Can we do that?
Don't. Because you're gonna psych me out.
No, but I mean like maybe.
No, but you're gonna psych me out. Can you like leave the window down? You know, I really want to see out the door. You know.
Oh no, but I have this one. Tata-talicious. That chick over there. No.
Tata-talicious. Seatbelts is on. I'm ready for the road. All right, guys. When we're taking off, I will holler back at you guys. Okay. Until then, bye.
The aircraft. Inflate your life vest by pulling on the red
You guys
tab.
can't even see it.
If the life vest is not inflated, blow into the red tube found on either side. Please do ensure your seat back and tray table are in the full upright and locked position and that you follow the information sign located right above you. At this time, you're welcome to
I swear, up until this point, she was so calm. Now she's like,
My name is Heather. If there's anything we can do for you, should you have a question or concern, please let us
I just
know.
can't wait for them to rip the runway. That's my
Thanks for your
favorite part.
attention. Enjoy the 3-hour, 44-minute flight over to Montego Bay.
Yes, we're gone. Oh Lord.
I actually thought that was gonna be like the scariest part when I first started flying.
Afin d'assurer la
That's the most
sécurité de
interesting
tous,
part.
nous vous
They say
prions
that that's
de
like the
nous
most
accorder
dangerous
toute
part.
votre attention
Like
alors que
taking
nous
off and
examinons
landing.
les procédures de sécurité suivantes. dans la pochette.
Here we go
du
have
chevron.
fun.
Trouverez une carte des mesures de sécurité. Veuillez nous suivre avec tous les points importants. Pour attacher votre ceinture de sécurité, insérez la languette de
Shout
moutarde
out
dans
Bad BBs all day. BB all day.
Pour détacher votre ceinture,
I want to be sexy Lexi.
votre ceinture de sécurité
Why
doit
gotta be
être
the? Why
attachée
gotta
en
be the?
temps.
I thought you were taking a video.
It is a video.
Yo, look at my ugly hand.
Bye bye Canada.
Look at the windows there.
I know it's so foggy.
They weren't that foggy before though. The air. My ears are clogging. Here we go.
Oh Lord.
Lips bitten. We're up. I hate being like this. Don't do that shit. Don't play like that.
Yeah, you did.
Oh wow, man. And we're still not even straightened out yet.
So yeah, what on top before?
I'm trying.
So you need the seat to hold that too? Guys, so we've been flying now for a year. Like 20 hours. And we still not reached our destination yet. We are currently like over Miami. Jinx, you owe me a soda and I want a Pepsi bubbler. Actually no, I want a Schweppes. I want a Schweppes. Woo! What do you never want? I'm so tired, man. Tired, but like I slept. Like I slept, but because I was cockled. Like I was cockled. I had my head on Fuffy's lap, and but because I got an extra seat, you know, I'm just cockled.
If I look in front of Billy, it would be like, I would take it with her.
And then I had my foot, my head in the other, chair.
We're almost there though.
And then I had my, no, well, we are gonna be like pretty much.
I know, but like I legit thought, like, you know, I was gonna see the water smooth, like landing there, like such a beauty.
We should be there soon though. I want this picture to move. Guys, yeah, I look a little bit better now. Yeah, I look a little bit better now.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we're landing. It's like wait, 7:13, and it is February 5th, 2016. 3 days till Fuffy's birthday.
Well, not technically 3 days anymore. It's like 2 days.
Like, bitch, kill my vibe. All the time. Like, in Canada, in Jamaica, like, so like, boy, I don't know why I do this, you know?
No.
There were so many things that was just deteriorating me from, deteriorating me from this, you know? We are about to land right now. Oh my God. Pull up skirt. We are here in Jamaica, Montego Bay. We are gonna have fun. Baby, you didn't know what you've been missing. You should have came to Jamaica with us. Don't be mad, girl. You should have listened. Don't hate on us. Don't be dishonest. Wait. Shh. God, Jesus. I feel it in my body. I feel it. Oh God, wait. Oh my God. No, Tiffany, wait, Jesus. Why? Let me see the light. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, Tiffany, wait. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, come on, turn me out. Come on, fast. We are going to Jesus.
If we were outside our place, we'd be like,
guys, we're here. The long anticipated wait is finally here. The struggle, the $60 for the 2 suitcases.
$120 altogether.
There and back.
260.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Montreal.
Woo!
It's approximately 7:22. We just
Yes.
ask that you please remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened for a little while longer until the aircraft has departed the gates. The captain will caution when the seatbelt sign off, indicating that the seat is to stand. Upon standing, please take caution when opening the
I'm
overhead
gonna
bins
see
and
my
put your
dad.
hands around
I'm
your
gonna
plane.
see my
You can now
dad.
connect your cell phones to a
So we're here. We're here. We're live and direct. Suitcases and everything. We're getting out. Now we gotta go deal with those bad man people who think, like, you know, there's something at immigration. We're in the Anchovy district, Yago. We all look for. We all stay with. What's his name? You should be happy I'm coming to your country and I'm giving your country more friggin'. Yeah, tourism. Here are you guys. Can you believe it?
9 times 10.
Shoddy, you deserve what you been. Like I'm hot. I'm hot. With dolphins, a dolphin cove. Why didn't you put it on the carry-on?
If you don't get free headsets.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Hello,
paradise. Hello, paradise. Flow. Why is there a white person? It's Jamaica. Not that there's not white people here, but I mean, you know. This is where I want to go. Rainforest Adventures. See? Zipline, bobsled, Sky Explorer. Remember you said you wanted to do ziplining? Yeah, because we spent it all on our luggage. I've always loved this wall, like with all these kids' artworks from school. Oh, it's so empty. There's nobody down there. We got talent in Jamaica, guys. I would walk slower, but I want to come out the airport. You know, them way there.
I'm done.
Alright. Oh, never mind. There's a car right there. This car's over here. You guys are getting our luggage. Oh, mine's there. Wait, it's not. Come back around. I'm coming out. Run for. Like here. You're here. And I'm sweating buckets. Wait, where's my dad?
I feel dirty. I should not even be embarrassed about my stomach because
No, you shouldn't be. Where are you growing to? You guys look at my brother. You guys look how big he is. I'm growing to your top. Made here. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh God. Jamaica, guys. I'm in Jamaica, you guys.
What's your call me for?
Kiana? Hey, Daddy, give me the phone. It's my sister. Oh my gosh.
Can I not call my phone so the box said she'll call me for now?
Well, she knows, Daddy. She knows I don't have a phone yet. So how is she gonna reach me? You guys are so mean, man.
Don't call.
Oh, it didn't even go through. Daddy, don't be a bad-minded person.
I know. She wants to call you back.
It smells so good here. Like, it just smells like jerk.
Food.
Like,
Jerk pork.
Guys, yes, I'm home in my room. And I got my Sakura the first night. Thanks to my daddy, he's the best. Oh my god. I'm in Jamaica, you guys. You see the blue walls? Look at idiot one. You see the blue walls? That's how you know it's real. But anyways, that's it for right now. See you guys later. Bye.